Hello, dear friends. Life coach, motivational speaker, V.K. Chaudhry bringing a wonderful topic today for all of you. The topic's name is Stop Getting Distracted, Start Getting Focused. My dear friends, life has become very hectic. Everybody is distracted with one way or other way. But we cannot get success till we are focused on our work. And I tell you guys, we need to plan night before we sleep and then try to write down on a sheet or on your laptop. It will be giving you a very productive atmosphere. You can turn off your all the distractions, maybe mobile, maybe telephone, maybe MacBook or any other thing for some hours daily. You need not to worry about that. Nothing is going to run away from your hands. And then you can become little bit comfortable, peaceful in your life. You can practice some meditation also in the morning. Meditation is going to help you a lot. As you have planned smaller goals first. And it should be 80-20 principle. You give 20% effort and get 80% results. My dear friends, you can make in your this to-do list A, B, C category also. Give priority A, B, C and utilize your time wonderfully. Have night sleep wonderful so that your mind gets energy to think more and more. We have to reward ourselves whenever we get little achievements. No need to go for that what 10 tasks you have decided for tomorrow. Whenever you complete one, you can pat your shoulder. Yes, come on, you have done it. To avoid distraction and concentration point of view, you can start Pomodoro Scheme. Lot of students, businessmen, even I started this in my office time for last 3 years to manage time well. Pomodoro Scheme gives you option to have 20 minutes to 30 minutes options that block your time and then work on that. Every notification should be stopped, even your desk phone also. And you will be seeing that very good results are coming and you are getting that half an hour and then take rest of 5 minutes, do this and that, drink water, go for here and there for some movement. But my dear friends, this scheme has given wonderful results everywhere because you are having some time out of your schedule for yourself to think inside you. And students who were coming in the back of the list, they are coming in the top now. Focus on your goals. Write it daily. Daily means 2 times minimum. Then review it several times. You can change the pattern, serial number, and you will enjoy it. My dear friends, try to read good books which are related to your business, office or motivational speaking sessions. Tell every negative people that you are having no space in your mind for them because you are lover of positive attitude, and attitude is everything in life with which you can get everything because you are actor, director, script writer and destiny maker of your life. You will have to take all the things in your stride. My dear friends, these techniques will make you more and more productive, and life will be very simpler. Reduce talking on phone to your relatives, friends, or whosoever. Do when you are in office, just ask, yes, tell me please what you want. Yes, I will give it, and just note down. But in that your Pomodoro blockage of the time, you need not to pick any phone. My dear friends, we need to have wonderful behavior and relationships among our friends, because that is going to give you wonderful collaboration, and you will be getting more and more advantage. Always keep your smart goals so that you can progress well. With the utilization of proper timing, my dear friends, I started blogging, YouTubing, podcasting, motivational sessions, writing blogs. What else you want? You can do what you like if you start getting focused and stop getting distracted. You need to take lead from the front. You are leader of an organization, leader of your life. If you like this video, just spread out and make it viral so that maximum people can get the advantage. All the best, my dear friends. Love you all. God bless you all. Thank you very much. Thank you.